Happy Boxing Day in Canada. Okay lang, magsalita ka lang, Jana. Papunta na kami ngayon sa may Toronto, Canada. As I have mentioned to you guys, I'm spending my Christmas season here in Canada. So punta kami ng Toronto. I'm excited. First time ko magbe-Burlington Go. Yun yung kanilang regional trains from the suburbs going to the city. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. Oh! Ano yung sinasabi mo kanina, Jana? Si Kuya Marlo, no, nagda-drive. Uber driver namin. Kuya Marlo. Oh, meron silang mga installation dito. Oh, ayan, ang daming tao. Pupunta kami ngayon sa CN Tower. Para akong turista, di ba?
Like you haven't seen it before?
Well, I haven't been
you
in this
actually
area
haven't
anyway.
been?
Yeah. I mean, the first time before. Long time ago. No, I've been sa CN Tower. Punta kami. Ito yung business lounge ng Via Rail nila. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa CN Tower. Ito ang labasan. Andito kami ngayon sa Burlington, Burlington, Ontario. Oh my gosh, ang lakas pala ng hangin. Alam nyo guys, medyo malamig Sa Canada talaga iba yung lamig dito. Mafe-feel mo siya sa loob. Andito kami ngayon sa may Burlington Station. So we're gonna buy our tickets. We're gonna go to Toronto. It's gonna take us about an hour, I guess, right? Yeah. Here. But ito fares, bakit hindi tayo bumili dito? Okay. Let's go! Ito na yun, and we're underground. We're hoping we're gonna catch that train. If not, we'll have to wait. Siguro maghintay pa kami mga 20 minutes. Ito yung platform of Via Rail Canada. Ito yung kanilang regional train. Parang Amtrak. Pagpupunta ka na Montreal. And now, we're gonna go walk up. Ay! Nakuha pa rin pala natin. Oh. We haven't missed it. Nandito pa rin kami. Ayan, pila sila dito. Okay. Papasok na kami ngayon sa train. Mamaya uli. Maginaw masyado pala dahil mahangin ngayon. Ang hangin ng ngayon. Tapos malamig pa. So I can feel my limbs. Oh, nandito na kami sa boat. Okay. Ay, dito. So, tabi kayo. Tabi kayo dyan. Dito na lang ako. I'll sit here. Wala malayo. May mama kasama ako dyan.
May kasama ka rin dyan.
Oo nga pala. Sige. Diba? Naka-go kami na. Parang Amtrak, tingnan mo, double decker yan. Meron sa baba.
Should keep this as a souvenir.
Yes. Look, nabudol kami sa ticket ng Go. We're spending $13 per ride. And now we're leaving. The journey begins. Papunta na kami ng Toronto. Ito yung main station ng Toronto. Andito ako ngayon sa main station Union. Parang equivalent ng Penn Station sa New York. Ang daming tao. Dito lahat ang babaan ng mga tao. As nakita nyo naman, ang daming tao. Now, we are figuring out kung ano ang lalabasan namin. I think may mga stores dyan, di ba, sa unahan. Ayan na, para talagang tong naalala ko dito, Grand Central naman. Dito sa, sa loob ng Union. Great Hall. Maganda yung kanilang dito, Tingnan mo, ang taas ng ceiling, ang ganda rin. Ayan. This is the Union Station in Toronto, Canada. 'Di ba? Parang it's giving Grand Central sa New York. Sino? 'Di ba? Bay City Hall. Yung entrance dito para talaga sa Grand Central. Ayan, may ID na kayo. This is the main station here sa Toronto. Dito rin usually nanggagaling yung mga regional trains if you're gonna go to other parts of the country. Like sa Montreal, if you're gonna go further east. Diba? Medyo maginaw sa labas. So our first stop is probably gonna be around sa sa CN Tower. Diba? So maglalakad kami. Saan tayo pupunta? Oo, sa Spaghetti Factory, matatry namin. Wala kami ganun sa US. So, doon kami magla-lunch. Kunin natin yung mapa. Ayan yung map ng Union. Just to give you guys some ideas. Ayan, may idea na kayo sa map. Yan, ganyan. Diba?
Hello.
Hello, kasi nakatutok sa'yo yan.
Yeah, I know.
Go
Can
say
I hold it?
something.
Hi.
Look at this, I love this. I love
I know,
it.
I bought it for ate.
Oh,
but-
diba?
Okay. Okay. Let's both
Yay,
be in
we're
it.
twinning.
Yeah.
May time pa siya eh.
Why don't you want me to hold it?
Ang ano, you can hold it if you want. You want, gusto mo.
Oh. Hi.
Dito ako
Where
sa,
are we?
sa Union Station. I've already been telling you guys about this. It's giving Grand Central. UC.
Yeah. It's giving.
Grand Central, New York.
Uh-huh.
Diba? Well-traveled.
Yeah. Okay. And then what else?
So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa kanila. This is one of the main stations here in Toronto. If you want to go to other parts of the country, like probably Montreal, I'm not even surprised if there is a train that goes all the way to the west, sa Alberta or Vancouver, right? Meron
Yeah.
naman din siguro.
Probably.
Like Amtrak, di ba?
Ottawa,
Like, multiple
yeah.
day travel. You're probably gonna catch it here. Kasi yun yung via rail nila. I've actually been on that once.
Yeah.
Na napunta ako sa friend ko before sa Montreal. So ngayon, pupunta na kami sa Spaghetti Factory.
Are we going to
Ate
eat
ko!
first?
Kamusta ka? Ito yung mga landmarks na pupunta nyo pag first time sa Toronto, sa Rogers Center, tsaka sa Pierce. Ay, hindi, airport yan eh. Sa CN Tower, Rogers Center. Oh my God, nag-i-snow na sa labas. Tingnan mo. Ang kapal na, oh. Oo nga, ayan na eh.
Okay na yan, okay na?
Ayun, ayan, okay. Ayan na, oh. Maglalakad kami ngayon papuntang CN Tower, nag-i-snow pa naman yan.
Saying we're still in Union. This is the up station.
What train is this? The
Takes
Via
you-
Rail?
No, up. It takes you directly to the Pearson Airport.
Ah, that's right. Nakita yung kanina yung sign. Ang ganda nito, parang bago itong version na to. No?
It's like a faster train.
At saka parang bago yung construction dito, no? This is like a newer area. Union Pearson Express, papunta palang airport dito daw. O ayan, so kung galing kayo sa airport, go kanilang transportation. Balzac's Coffee, hindi ko pa natatry yan.
I didn't.
Hindi ko kilala yung nanay na yan. Oh, excited kayo sa snow. Tignan mo, diba? Puting-puting yung tahan. Marlon, yung relative mo pala sa Frankfurt,
Ano?
sa Germany. Frankfurt pala yon. Ay, nandun yun. Ano pala siya? Ay, Lego nga pala. Wala si Joaquin, oh. Sayang. Kaya lang ang lamig-lamig naman kung isasama mo ngayon. Bukas na lang natin babawian si Joaquin papuntang Niagara. Ayan, Lego. Oh, matutuwa yung kung nandito. Kaya lang super lamig kasi ngayon nag-i-snow. It's the most interesting part, lalo na pag ganitong na umuulan, nag-winter. Konektado na pala yung Union Station papunta sa CN Tower. And you don't even have to go outside, lalo na kung magulo yung, medyo mas snow sa labas. Pwede na kayong mag-go through sa indoor areas para ma-access nyo yung CN Tower. Ito yung CN Tower, oh. Kasi diba nakikita nyo, everybody knows this. Ayan, oh. Nag-i-snow kasi ngayon eh. Oh, pero nakikita mo siya. Papasok na kami sa Skywalk. And then, pupunta kami ngayon sa... We might try yung kanilang access dito na $50 daw, but it includes accessory, please. Tapos all the way up dun sa CN Tower. Mamaya ma-final destination tayo dyan, Kita nyo, ayan Metro Toronto Convention Center. Medyo mahaba-haba yung walk from the Skywalk, pero at least nasa loob naman kayo. Lalo na kung uulan-ulan. Katulad ngayon, medyo sumaginaw sa labas. So, now we are walking out. Papunta ngayon dito sa may CN Tower. Oh, ayan, tingnan nyo, makapal na yung snow ngayon, bumabagsak na talaga siya. Oh, ayan, Andito na kami at the foot of CN Tower. Ang pinag-iisipan kung worth it bang pumunta sa taas. Kasi you're gonna spend a little bit of money to get up there. Ano kasama sa Ripley's, believe it or not. But the problem is, medyo madilim ngayon, right? Is it worth it or is it not worth it? Slippery siya, so we have to be very careful. Kaya lang, tingnan mo, kung dala nga namin pala si Wakitri, ano siya ngayon, medyo tricky yung road. Ripley's Aquarium of Canada, nandiyan na siya sa left. Tingnan niyo. So, titingnan natin ngayon papunta sa... Saan ba? Dito sa kanan or sa left? Dito? Ayan, Ripley's siya. So, kukuha sila ng picture. We're gonna go downstairs. Ha? Kinunan ko na nga siya. Diba? Ayan, para meron silang ebidensya na kunyari nakapunta na ako.
Kami, ikot-ikot tayo ko dyan.
Ayan. Okay, pakialam ba nila?
Look at the shark.
Mga turista nga tayo eh. Shark daw sa likod ko. Fine. Hey, it's a very snowy day. Maginaw. So Boxing Day din ngayon sa kasi sa Canada, it's the 26th. Ang Boxing Day nila dito is the equivalent of Black Friday sa States, 'di ba? So we're gonna see kung medyo crowded ang yung mall na pupuntahan namin. Ang pangalan is Eaton Square, right? It's a mall. And then may mga pagkainan din doon. No, but we're gonna go to Spaghetti Factory. That's where we're gonna have lunch.
Yeah.
So we will have lunch over there. Uy, grabe. Tingnan nyo. Ang taas. Diba? Nasa paanan talaga ako. Holy, we're gonna pick this up sa Rogers Center na naman tayo ngayon. Syempre, excited sila. Mga turista, parang tayo. Diba? LA Tour CN Tower, andyan siya. So, saan tayo ngayon? Dito?
Ikaw, ay gusto mo pumunta dito sa ano?
You wanna
Dito sa Ripley's Aquarium?
Papasok sa loob?
Ikaw, gusto mo ba? O, ayun.
Titingnan natin. So pero hindi na sa CN Tower, ito lang.
Mas mura kasi pag dalawa.
So pinakita yung price kanina dito dyan, guys eh. Ang presyo niya is about $50 Canadian for the adult pass. And I think it only includes admission sa Ripley's. And I don't think it's gonna include the one for CN Tower. Pero meron silang tinatawag na day pass, which I think is gonna include access to 5 other locations or sites. Ayan nakita niyo yung presyo. Diba? Ayan youth, 33, may adult, and then child is $15. May code check doon kung gusto nyong pupunta kayo dito ng winter tapos ayaw nyo dalhin yung code sa loob. Tingnan ko lang, receive road, nakita nyo dito yung kanilang ayan ang mga nila dito, buildings. Para may brewing over there, Steam Whistle Brewing ang tawag. Toronto Railway Museum is right over here. Ayun yung parang niya pala, steam train yung sa unahan. So, Rogers Center. We're gonna try Balzac's coffee. Yeah. We're just gonna buy coffee. Yeah. Ayan ang Balzac's coffee nila, Oh, this is inside Union Station. I'm gonna go with my usual latte. Ano gusto mo? Ikaw, Jana, you want something?
Yeah.
What do you want? Ay, sorry. Matcha. Okay, so we're gonna go. Ikaw, what do you want, Mori?
Matcha.
Matcha.
Yeah.
O, sige, kung magsabi.
I don't know what you want.
Ako 12, regular latte lang ako.
Oh, so regular, 12 ounce, right?
Ha?
12 ounce?
12 ounce, yes.
Okay.
I wanna get that, yeah.
This one, it's that
I
small.
want hot. I mean, no. Yeah.
You don't want
Gusto nyo, Marlon? Anong gusto niya?
Caramel latte to.
Caramel. So small. Ikaw na mag-order.
Okay, sabihin mo.
Mari. Hi.
Just a medium.
Medium is fine.
Regular milk?
Oh, do you have an app?
It's for mommy. No, it's not. It's
Sorry.
for her. No, one. Sorry, one regular milk. Sorry.
Okay, so the one with the oats, do you want it sweetened?
Yes, please.
And the other one is regular milk?
Yeah. Yeah.
And would you like that one sweetened?
Sure.
I am gonna have regular latte medium as well. If we have half and half, that would be great.
Yep.
Yeah. And that's it.
Okay, we got 4 drinks.
Ayan, Balzac. We're having some coffee break here sa Union Station sa Toronto before we head out for some lunch. Kasi itong Balzac's coffee, I've only seen it here. I've never seen it elsewhere. So this is gonna be a first. And we're gonna see, and we're gonna tell you what the verdict is for the coffee. I usually get my latte with half and half. Yung mga coffee, ano nila, roast nila, oh. Tingnan mo ang ganda ng balot. Oh, tignan mo. No? I like that stuff. Para din siyang Starbucks, pero of course, different branding. We're gonna have to see what our judgment is gonna be after we had a taste nung aming coffee. So I usually get my latte. And then siya, they got their matcha latte. Same thing with my other...
The other niece.
The other niece.
The other niece.
Yes.
Ate, you're the other niece. I'm the original one. You're not even
The
sure.
older one.
I'm the original one.
Hey, we got our drinks.
No, that's
Where's
mine.
my...
This one's yours.
This is
This is
mine.
salted.
This is my latte.
thank
This is the matcha one. Look at the matcha, and this is what... Ano ba?
I'm sorry.
Guys, I usually make my coffee with 3 raw sugars. So we'll see. Ano yun? Okay lang siya. Okay naman. Okay naman. Hindi siya matamis actually.
I wanna vlog now.
What?
I'm looking at myself.
Ano ginawang mirror yung camera ko? Bastos
Oh,
ka.
hi.
You should show the look at the snow.
So this is my matcha. I have
Sige,
it.
sabihin mo nga.
I have oat milk.
Ay, talagang oat milk. Bakit? Ano ka, lactose intolerant? Hindi na, di ba usually yun yung mga ganyan yun?
No, I'm just Canadian.
Right?
And she got regular milk. Right? She got regular milk.
Yeah. Ayan. Coffee drink for the cold weather. Oh, di ba? Ang judgment. Kanina, siguro ang rating ko kanina is about mga 7/10. Pero ngayon, after I've had a few sips, I'm gonna accelerate it to probably 9 out of 10. O, di ba? That's not so bad. So, Balzac's, keep that in mind. Nandito yan sa may Union Station sa Pearson Express na station, which is basically the train line or station na didiretso sa Pearson Airport sa Canada or sa Toronto. Oh, you guys, papasok na uli kami sa Union Station kasi nga nanggaling na kami sa CN Tower. Tapos we're gonna walk over to the restaurant that we're gonna have lunch at. So nakita niyo yan, oh. Diba? Nakalagay, ang laki, the Union Station. So remember this station pag pumunta kayo sa CN Tower, Rogers Center, Ripley's, believe it or not. So yung sa Chinese na ano, ayan oh. Anong museum ba? Ay, ito yung Blue Bovine, Mori. Wow, social naman yung kanilang ano, design sa labas. Ay, Blue Bovine pala siya. Parang wala naman masyadong tao sa... Oh my God, tignan nyo guys, it's a hot mess right now. Tignan mo, Diyos ko, ang hirap maglakad dahil bago pa yung snow, so hindi pa nasusoltan. O nakikipagsapalaran kami ngayon sa ganito ka-dumi. I think that's a little bit too tight. Ay, wala. Tight na eh. Hindi tight na kasi baka mamaya on 6
Like we could
na.
have made it.
Huwag kang magmadali, Mori. Mamaya matapilok tayo
And you
dyan.
can't even see the CN Tower behind you.
Wala na, natapunan na ng hamog yung CN Tower.
And like, man, you're gonna rush mommy and her, ano?
Oo. Front
this is
Street
nice.
West. Ayan. Ano tong building na to sa left? This one right here. Para siyang, grabe, nilamig ako. Ano to? Hockey Hall of Fame. So I think museum yan ng hockey sa left pala. O ngayon ko lang na-realize yan na nandiyan pala yan. O. Tingnan mo naman yung daan namin ngayon. So yan, yan ang sinasabi nyo, hinahabol yung snow. It's actually a hot mess. Seriously sabi na, oh my God, si Daddy. Here is Meridian Hall. Parang dyan siguro yung mga ganyan. O, yan nga. Para siyang ano, yung opera house dun sa may Columbus Circle sa New York siguro. Ganyan ang mga peg nila dyan. So, tatawid tayo.
Then we make a right and we walk to the left and it's straight. Oh, we can cross.
No, I know.
It's harder to cross here. Okay.
I know, but we have to cross nga, diba? O, diba?
Hinihila ko.
Happy holiday.
Siya na lang, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, Maury said so we
So,
can make
sa
a
Scott
right.
Street.
We can't cross here.
Wait, we can't cross here?
Can you shut up?
Okay, sorry.
Mori, wait.
Ay, nasa vlog kayo, huwag kayo mag-away.
Oh,
Mga
sorry.
anghel kayo, di ba?
Mori, ano ba? It's not
I think we can manage. Oh, grabe, ang hirap maglakad. Ano daw? Guys, welcome to Old Town Toronto. Ang ano? Where? Oh yeah, we can go there later. I know. Nakikita naman namin dyan, ano? Maming-mami ka talaga. Oh, let's go. Grabe oh. It's a very, very snowy day. Silang Novotel, meron din silang Novotel dito, you guys. Oh, ayan. Nandito pala. Oh, pucha. Laka. Okay. Madulas. Nadulas ako. Madulas yun, ah. Ayan, Old Town Toronto. Ito na pa yun, Old Spaghetti Factory. Ayun pala. Oh, we finally made it to our destination. It's not that far actually from Union eh. But the problem is, maulan, ma-snow ngayon, so we have to be very careful. Dahil mamaya may mga kotseng madulas. Delikado rin yung ganon. But I think this is it. I like the vibe. But welcome to the Old Spaghetti Factory. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. This is an Italian restaurant, obviously. And this is what we're gonna have for lunch. Okay. Ayan guys, oh, parang old, may old staff charm yung kanilang restaurants. So, the charming dito sa loob. Ang ganda, oh. Ayan. Pati yung mga paintings on the wall. Ang ganda, oh. So, we're gonna go na to our table. Merry Christmas. Drink wine, love. Oh, drink wine, live longer. That's what they said. Very London vibe yung telephone. Ay, gusto ko yung ano natin, seat natin. Oh, hindi tayo tight. Perfect yan. Okay. Diyan ka.
Yan ang
Thank you. Oh, meron kaming amuse-bouche. Some bread. And then, let's see what the menu looks like. It looks expensive, diba? Kasi yung menu niya, tingnan mo.
Ito yung menu.
Hindi, yung social niya. Ano ba yan?
It's
Yan ang
the drink
menu.
menu, I guess.
Ah, okay. Fine. So, yan o. Kayo na mag-calculate ha. Canadian dollars yun nandito. Oh, ito yung kanilang selection ng wine. Spirits. Some beer. Some red and white wine. Lahat talaga kayo eh, no? Oh, ito pala yung menu dito sa Old Spaghetti Factory. Ayan, tignan mo. 'Di ba? So, tignan niyo 'yan. Kayo na mag-pause na lang kayo kung gusto niyo tingnan yung presyo. Na-try niyo na ba ito, Marlon, before? Masarap naman. Okay, gusto mo siya. And we are waiting for our lunch. We've already decided what I'm gonna get. Masyadong inggitera yung sister ko eh. Magpe-penny arrabbiata with sausage din daw siya. si Mori, she's gonna get the seafood linguine. And then si Jana, chicken alfredo. Ikaw, Marlon, spaghetti meatballs.
Hindi, spaghetti meat sauce.
Meat sauce lang. Walang meatballs.
Ano?
Okay. And then I'm gonna take it with minestrone soup. I'm excited kasi pinagmamalaki nila yung kanilang marinara sauce. And apparently, it's a go-to for many people here. Lalo na yung mga hindi rin taga dito. So, dumating na yung aking minestrone soup that comes with my main meal. Binigyan ulit kami ng panibagong bread. Masarap yung bread nila, and in fairness, yung butter is worth going here for. So, tingnan mo yan. And now we're waiting for our main meal. So, pagdating ng main meal, we will give you guys a tour of kung ano yung mga pinag-orderan namin, okay? Oh, vibe check tayo sa restaurant. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda dito. Ayan, nakita ko sa inyo. Tapos tingnan yung gilid dito para siyang tram na nilagay dito, cable car. Yung vibe. Canadian Imperial Bank of Spaghetti. Yun ang sabi. Ayan. Nakita nyo na yung vibe check. Alam nyo, yung minestrone is so good. Siguro kung rarangkin natin yan, mga 9.5 out of 10. Hindi, okay lang ako. Because we still are waiting for our main meal. Baka wala na tayong makain after nyan. Okay. Standing by for the main meal.
I mean, thank you.
Oh, thank
I'll
you.
get some cheese for you.
Oh, dumating na yung aming main meal. And so, ito na yung penne arrabbiata with sausage.
It's like way more.
Spaghetti meat sauce. And then pareho sila ni Mori, steak with spaghetti on the side. And then si Jana is this chicken Alfredo. Yung food nila dito, bon appetit, we'll see. And then we're gonna get some more cheese because we love it. Yeah. Oh, thank you very much, my lovely niece, for the treat. Kasi career woman na siya eh. Dalawa-dalawa trabaho. So, nanlilibre siya ngayon. O, diba? Bakit ayaw magpakita? O, ayan. Alam mo, kumain kami dito. I couldn't finish my food kasi sobrang anghang. Pero masarap siya. Sino tingnan mo,
na-surprise ka pa at si Mori pa maglilibre.
Oh, yun na nga, diba? Pero yung bread, tingnan mo naman, walang natira. Oh. Nakalima kaming ganyan, nakakahiya. Pero, masarap eh. Binigyan naman kami
Why
ng
is it
libreng
pink inside?
bread.
Pink.
Oo. Lahat pala nasa si Jana, iniubos yung food.
Yeah, she
Hindi, biro
doesn't like
lang.
she doesn't like it.
Nape-pressure na yung isa. Ito yung Winter Village. Oh, St. Lawrence pala to. Oh, papunta kami ngayon sa flat ni Mori. So malapit lang si Mori sa Old Spaghetti Factory. 12-minute walk. Grabe. Tingnan niyo naman yung daan, no? Hindi pa nasi Sultan. Nasa main road, nasa Toronto tayo. Ano din, no? After the holidays. Madami siguro nag-off. Ano ba? Ay, sorry. Nag-ano ba?
Actually, but it's the food.
Ah,
I ate so much pasta.
na-trigger.
Pasta and so much cheese.
Tingnan mo, nakakatakot yung pag ganyan kasi baka hindi nila makontrol yung kotse nila.
Because you actually can't grip
Yeah.
anything.
Oh, man. So, diretso lang tayo. Ayan.
Oh, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Oh, man. Ang dumi, no?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes.
Sa Union, how far is ang Minyo Union from here is like what, half an hour?
20, 25 minutes. 20, 20.
Oh my god, so that's quite a walk.
Well, you could just take the streetcar.
Oh.
North LCC there.
So how much do you have to pay for it?
$3.
$3? That's not so bad. So how do you purchase it? Kung wala
You
naman
could just tap with your debit.
Oh, we're gonna go across the street. Ito na yung building. Andito na kami sa building. And we finally got to Mori's place here in Toronto. It's close to the St. Lawrence Market. So it's actually a very nice area here sa Toronto. Dahil lang hangin.
Oh, I almost slipped. Did you see?
Oh,
Oh no.
tumatawid na yung mag-shota. Oh. Yan, oh. Maganda yung kanyang area dito. So, ito yung build 3 towers in 1. Buti nga may nagsha-shovel na dito. Daig pa yung street. Sa bagay, katatapos lang din naman ng snow. So, ngayon palang nagliligpit yung mga tao. Or at least naglilinis. And then, papunta na kami sa building ni Mori. So, parang brand new building. Bago pa yung building niya. We're approaching the building now. Oh, ito yung kanilang... Ha? Yeah. Mo, social ang lobby niya, ha? O, tignan mo. Oh, ang entrance ng lobby ni Mori. Oh, now we're getting to the elevators. Oh, ito na pala yung flat ni Mori. Oh, tingnan niyo. Wow, ang ganda naman ng niya, room niya dito, oh, 'di ba? Bago. Overlooking sa labas yung Ang ganda ng view niya dito. Oh, mamili kayo ng amenities nyo nasa 11th floor ng building ni Mori. Punta kami sa gym. May games room sila. Aba, may theater pa, oh. Tignan mo, meron silang pool room dito, oh. Tingnan mo. Oh, diba? Ayun. Wala namang gumagamit. Ha, meron?
There's saunas inside here.
Bago nga yung, bago pa yung building. Pilates room. Ay, may mga tao. At least may idea. May gumagamit ng gym pala. Pinakita lang namin yung amenities room pala nila dito sa 11th floor. Ah! Pero hindi naman siguro bubuksan yan dahil nga malamig.
It's infinity pool.
Ah, social ka. Oo, pinakita ko lang.
Wait.
Ayan o.
Oh, it's
Okay.
covered over there.
Ah, ito covered. Okay.
Over the city.
Pinakita ko lang yung ano.
On the
niya.
balcony,
Main
there's
Street.
you can see the CN Tower.
Oo.
Listen to me.
Andito kami ngayon no, sa tram
I know.
from Morris Place. We're gonna go to Eaton Center. So ito yung kanilang tram o bus nila. Tingnan nyo. How many stops are we approximately? Oh, malapit lang. So it's about 2 to 3 stops daw. So we'll see. We're gonna get there sooner. Tingnan nyo, Jarvis Street kami ngayon. Anong stop natin? Yonge Street. Okay, we're gonna get off at Yonge Street. Oh, para ako nasa Prague, diba? Ganito rin may tram din doon eh. So, we'll see. Nasa tram kami ngayon. We're gonna get off at Yonge Street.
The next stop.
Galing kami sa place ni Mori from the Prince Street. So we're gonna get off now. Okay. Tingnan nyo guys, natuwa ako first time ko nakasakay sa tram ng Toronto. Hindi magsasabay tayo. Ay, magsasabot. Yung first time ako nakasakay sa tram sa Toronto. O, ngayon magsasabot. So magsasabay. Oo nga, papasok kami. Ito yung turnstiles nila dito. You can use any Visa or MasterCard. Ito yung linya ng subway. Anong station to? Northbound train? So, how many stops from here?
Isa.
Okay. Medyo malinis na yung subway dito, no? Malinis yung subway nila dito.
Kumpara sa New York, no?
Oo, walang mga daga. Diba? You guys, ito yung subway nila dito sa Queen Station kami ngayon. And kasi the reason why is we're gonna go to Eaton Center, which is yung parang malaking mall dito sa Toronto. So it's perfect timing. Malinis ang subway. Hey folks! Welcome to Eaton Center in Toronto. Pakita natin yung mga stores sa inyo. May body shop din dito. Pero grabe yung tao. My God, what is that line? Ano yan? May kinukunan sila sa taas. Ah, okay. Oh, look at this Labubu! Have a seat, series! Oh, meron silang green. Ang cute naman yung green. Ayan oh.
Oh yeah, $40 right here.
Guys, tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kadaming tao dito ngayon sa mall. Wala na yung protesta. O, inalis na nila yung kanina yung bag. Oo, ha? Pinagbigyan lang pala, siguro. Oo. You've said your piece. Ang daming Asians dito, no? Tingnan natin siya. We're at Eaton Center. Boxing Day, Mac. Bath and Body Works. Sa kabilang side, Soft Mock. Ay, ang dami pa pala sa kabilang side. Oh, ang laki nga pala ng mall na to, no?
Three or four floors. I think the top floor is like luxury way.
Meron silang luxury way. Anong mga brands?
I'm not sure, but they have the higher, like, the top. We actually all the way past here. Oh, we're going to showcase first.
Finally getting the Labubu.
Oo nga. Can you get the outfit?
Can we get an outfit instead?
Oh, they're just gonna change
daw,
pink one. Walang pink.
Walang pink. We want,
There is. There's one up here. This one's up
Yeah.
Which one?
Ayan pala may pink, oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, all of them will fit. No problem.
Oh, it comes with the outfit.
And then, sorry. And then I added up this one.
This one as well? Yeah.
Bumili siya.
$2.99.
I'm gonna get the pin for love.
Do you want your receipt?
Yes.
I'm gonna get the pin for love for me, please. You guys have it. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get... you have the pin for love, right?
Sorry?
Pin for love. Pin for love Labubu, the smaller ones.
For love?
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, is that blind?
Yeah. all
Okay,
of our blind
I'll get
boxes.
one of those.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Do you know which one you would like? These are the different colors.
Oh, so the colors, it's like, okay, but it's blind anyway,
Yeah,
right?
it's mine anyways. It's
Yes,
just different.
I'll just do this one. Yeah. And then I'll just pay by card.
Do you want it? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Debit or credit?
Credit. Let's just run it as credit, please.
Okay, just give it a second. It comes out to $56.49. Bringing up credit. Just give it a couple seconds.
Okay. It's $50?
Yeah, that's with tax.
Oh, it's with tax?
Yeah.
Oh my. Okay. All right, you know what? Let's just do that.
There you go. Do you want your receipt?
Yes, please. Okay. Thank you.
Have a nice one.
You too. All right. Let's go. Spin for love.
Okay, you want to open it on vlog?
Kailangan natin i-open.
Wait, who wants to go first? Okay,
I'm
here.
gonna open it now. Sige, open. Dali. We're excited what color we're gonna get.
Oh, these are the options.
Mag-unbox. These are the options. Sige, pabuksan mo.
This-
Open it.
Just like, don't
What
look
color?
Okay. Oh my god.
Ay, ang bagal na.
It's cute. This one
Okay.
you got. Did not put the outfit on it. I think it's.
Oh, ang cute
It
naman
might-
yung labubo.
I don't know which one. It might be taken.
Probably the other one. Okay.
You want the cake?
Exciting.
Yeah. Oh, it's here. Outfit first. You got.
Ah,
See,
coffee.
you got a pink one for you.
Hold on
Just-
for this. Mag-open din
And
ako.
this is the case. Okay. Look at the options first.
Option daw, ang dami ko. And then I'm gonna open kung ano meron. Let's... Oh, ayun ako kay orange ko. Ang cute ito. I love the orange one din kasi. I like it. Okay. Sa Simon's kami ngayon. We're still at Eaton Center. So after this, we're gonna go back to Union Station and then catch the train back to Burlington, where we parked the car earlier. So we're about to conclude the day, you guys. Thanks for joining us. Hey, you guys. Eaton Center. We are now leaving. May jutes. Diba? Lakas. Magiging high na kami nito. Yay! Recommended daw itong real fruit dito sa may Eaton Center. So we'll see. I got the mango one with tapioca. So I'm gonna try to check it out and let you guys know kung ano yung verdict. Diba? You guys, andito kami ngayon sa Vaughan? No, TMU. Formerly Dundas Street. And then ito yung bababaan namin. No? We're gonna get off at Union Station. Or we're gonna catch the train papunta sa Burlington. Pauwi na. Okay, so we've had a good day here sa Toronto. Janet!
Arriving at King,
Sila yung mag-show
King
na.
Station. Open on the right.
Oh man, we had a 6-7 day.